Hey, what's up, guys? Going to run the Dewat 18 bolt tool set for Fred. 10 spots, $16 per spot. Time is 4:42 p.m. and we're live. 4:42. There's our same list. Going to roll 2 dice. Has to be a 5 or more. 5 and 6 is 11. We'll get started at 4:42. Good luck. 2, 3, Jeff. 4, Jeff. 5, Nick. 6, Anthony. 7, Jeff. 8, Jeff. 9, Jeff. After 10, we have Jeff. 2 different Jeffs. No? Yeah, 2 different Jeffs. Dice rolls an 11. 4:43 now. 4:43 verified. This is the one that counts. Good luck. Nick Bullware, spot number 8. 11 and 11. We are done at 4:43. Congrats.